Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself.
Tom needed to send a package to his grandmother. He walked to the post office near his house. The post office was open from 9 to 5. Tom went inside and looked around. There were many people waiting in line. He took a number and waited for his turn. After 10 minutes, it was his turn. A friendly woman at the counter asked how she could help. Tom said he wanted to send a package to Germany. The woman asked him to put the package on the scale. The package was not very heavy. She told him it would cost 12 euros. Tom asked how long it would take to arrive. The woman said it would take about 5 days. Tom decided to send the package by regular mail. He could also choose express delivery for more money, but regular mail was fine for him. The woman gave him a form to fill out. Tom wrote his name and address on the form. He also wrote his grandmother's address. The woman put a sticker on the package. Tom paid with his bank card. She gave him a receipt. The receipt had a tracking number on it. Tom could check online where his package was. He thanked the woman and said goodbye. Tom was happy that sending a package was so easy. His grandmother would receive it next week.
Learn with LingoStories.app.